This is our 1989 Buick Riviera. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes, and then some video clips of the interior as well as under the hood. So we purchased the car out of Barrington, Illinois, where it had remained since new. We did purchase it from the original owner. The car will come with the original manuals as well as the original window sticker. $28,000 when new, 1989, that's $59,000 today. Car retains its original paint, which is actually pearlescent diamond white. Really nice color in this car, particularly with the blue leather interior. Really nice contrast. So as I mentioned, you'll see the cosmetic blemishes later in this video, but there are very few, just a few little minor touched up chips and things like that. But original paint, never reupholstered interior. The glass and light lenses are all clear and crack free. Body's in excellent shape. There are no bubbles or blisters on any lower corners. This is a really nice, dry, honest car. White top is in excellent shape. No discoloring or bubbling underneath it, nothing like that. Very good. Bridgestone tires were new in 2017, so those are in great shape. Steel wheels with polished hubcaps look great. No wrinkles or curb rash. No oxidation on the polished surfaces. Chrome on the front and rear bumpers and the midline trim is all in nice shape. This car has the 3.8 liter V6. It is fuel injected. 4-speed trans with overdrive. This car did have the optional luxury package, so see the window sticker for details there. There's a photo of it there in the listing, as well as underbody photos. This car had the extra undercoating package, actually for cost of about $3 grand at the time, which was huge. And it's held up well. Underbody looks good. Dark blue pinstripe is a really nice touch, matches the interior. Panel fitment is spot on, doors open and close nice and smooth. Every panel has its VIN tag. You know, never been crashed, never been repainted. And now here are all the blemishes on the car. So there are a few little chips scattered about the front end. These ones are over the driver headlight. Minor little chips, most of them have touch-up paint on them. You can see there is a little scuff on the underside of the mirror, on the driver's side. There's a touched-up chip on the top of the driver door. Again, another small chip. Rockers are really nice and clean on both sides. You can see the midline trim is in good shape there. On the driver brake light, you can see a little scratch on the lens there, as well as a tiny little marking on the chrome. Now on the passenger's side, there are 2 dings in the midline chrome. There is one there. Then if you go forward, middle of the door, there is another. You can just see the weather stripping is all excellent. Really clean, dry car. Come around to the front, you can see there's a hairline crack in that filler panel below the passenger headlight. Interior, there's that cover-up tape on there because there is a small crack on the driver armrest. But regardless, door panels are really nice. No kicked open markings or anything like that. Dash top has no cracks, no warping or discoloring. The onboard computer system is fully functional. Power windows are functional. The dash wood has no hairline cracks. Very, very nice shape. Digital dash. Odometer is 105, 9,000. Or sorry, 105,900. Original floor mats are in great shape, as is the carpet. Take a look there at the photos for photos of the carpet with and without the floor mats. Blue leather looks great. Really no significant signs of age at all. There's just some light crease marks on the seat bottoms, as to be expected. But this guy took really, really, really good care of this car. Sills are nice and clean on both sides. No punctures or big scuffs on the seats. Pretty impressive shape in both front and rear. This was the blue leather with suede inserts. You can see the suede there in the creases. Rears are in really nice shape. Headliner is clean. It's tight except for from those rear corners. It's starting to loosen a little bit. Car runs and drives really well. Stays cool, has about 170 horsepower. You can see here, every panel on the car still has its clean little white VIN tag sticker. Just a very honest, nicely taken care of example. Though it has 105,000 miles, it really presents like a car with closer to 40.